All right, so I got another free software for you as part of being in this members area. This software is actually Gruflu. It helps you find the top influencers and the best performing content and all the groups that you're actually going to be getting leads from. So you're going to see that I actually sell this software. So this is software I actually charge money for, as you can see. So it's well worth the $1 that you paid to actually be part of the membership area. You can see that I actually sell Gruflu for $9.99 a month, or $83 a year, or $147 one-time payment is what I actually sell this for. And people actually pay me all the time for this software, okay? I'm giving it to you for free. So all you have to do is look below this video, you'll find the link, and you'll get a page very similar to the first page that's built just for you, where as soon as you opt in, you'll actually get it for free. And then I do want to mention that right after I hook you up with the free software, I am going to give you a very amazing offer for you to actually be able to use Gruflu as a lead magnet, as a bonus for your affiliate offers, as an order bump on your products and services, as a low-cost front-end customer acquisition product, or even as a standalone product that you're selling for $147 one-time payment, just like I do. It's an insane deal that I'm literally only offering to you people that are in my members area.